Reviews are pouring in for the Oukitel U Series, and tech enthusiasts are eager to see if this budget-friendly lineup lives up to the hype. With sleek designs, competitive specs, and a price tag that doesn't break the bank, Oukitel has managed to attract a loyal following. The build quality is impressive, offering a premium feel despite its affordability. Users appreciate the large displays, decent cameras, and long-lasting batteries, making these devices great for daily use. While not a flagship killer, the U Series provides solid performance for casual users, social media browsing, and light gaming without significant lag. Detailing the connectivity and other features, Oukitel ensures that the U Series covers all the essentials. Equipped with dual SIM slots, 4G LTE support, and stable Wi-Fi connectivity, these phones make sure you're always connected. Bluetooth functionality is smooth, allowing easy pairing with wireless earbuds and smart devices. Many models also come with a USB-C port, which is a pleasant surprise at this price point. Fingerprint sensors and face unlock add a layer of convenience, while some models even include NFC, making mobile payments a breeze. These small but valuable additions enhance the overall user experience significantly. Price remains one of the biggest selling points of the Oukitel U Series, making it an attractive choice for budget-conscious consumers. Depending on the model, prices typically range from $100 to $250, offering solid specs without the hefty cost of flagship devices. The affordability doesn't come at the cost of essential features, as Oukitel carefully balances price and performance. For those seeking a daily driver without unnecessary extras, this lineup is a perfect fit. Flash sales and discounts often push prices even lower, making it a smart buy for those who want value without sacrificing functionality. Performance-wise, the Oukitel U Series manages to hold its own in the budget category. With decent processors, RAM configurations ranging from 3GB to 6GB, and optimized software, these devices can handle multitasking, media streaming, and even some light gaming. Battery life is another strong suit, with some models boasting 4000 mAh to 5000 mAh batteries that easily last a full day. While it won't compete with flagship models in speed or camera quality, it delivers smooth daily performance for casual users. The combination of a lightweight UI and power-efficient chipset ensures a responsive experience without unnecessary lags or crashes. Leaks and rumors surrounding upcoming Oukitel U Series models suggest even better improvements on the horizon. Reports hint at enhanced camera technology, faster processors, and even higher refresh rate displays for a smoother experience. With the increasing demand for affordable smartphones, Oukitel appears to be stepping up its game. Tech Vibe will continue to keep an eye on these developments, bringing you the latest updates and in-depth reviews. Stay tuned for more insights, comparisons, and first-hand testing to see if the next Oukitel U Series release truly lives up to expectations. Two halves.